The window opens by pushing upward. This is the window opener's remote control. Press the button to power on. The indicator light will illuminate, accompanied by a long beep. Press the first button on the remote to open. The opener's arm will extend forward. Press the second button on the remote to close. This demonstrates the installation method. For a side-mounted window opener, assemble these two components together. Align the corresponding holes and secure the screws. Combine these two components. The height can be adjusted based on the actual situation. Secure the screws in the appropriate positions. Attach the brackets on both ends to the window operator. Fix the window operator in a suitable position. Press the remote to simulate opening and closing the window. Now enter the stroke learning mode. Press and hold the fourth button on the remote for 5 seconds. A long beep indicates entry into configuration mode. Simultaneously press and hold the third and fourth buttons on the remote. Press and hold the second button on the remote to close the window. Release the button once the window is fully closed. Press the fourth button to confirm. Press and hold the first button on the remote to open the window. Release the button only after the window is fully open to 90 degrees. Press the fourth button to confirm. Setup is now successful. Press the remote to close the window and verify normal operation again. The window is now fully closed. Press the remote to open the window. The window is now fully open. Installation complete. After the opener is fixed to the window, configure the obstruction detection force for closing. Press the remote to close the window. But now, the window does not close fully. Press and hold the fourth button on the remote for 5 seconds. A long beep indicates entry into configuration mode. The first button decreases the force value. The second button increases the force value. Press the second button once, the buzzer will beep 5 times. Because the default obstruction force level is 4. Press the second button once more. The buzzer will beep 6 times, indicating level 6. Finally, press the fourth button to confirm and exit configuration mode. NR operates normally. The window now closes fully. Adjust as needed, obstruction force adjustable from 1 to 10.